We are going to repair the left side of the severely damaged and dangerous brick steps. Each piece of slate is loose, it's wobbly, it's dangerous, and we're going to resecure each piece of slate. We remove the damaged and discolored brick face of each step, and then we also removed the fill, which was sandy, behind the steps, and we replaced that with concrete. The concrete reinforces the strength of each step. We have replaced all of the face brick. We poured concrete behind the face brick. We've installed the new face brick, leveled and plumbed, and now we are pointing the face brick. We mixed the old brick with the new brick to prevent a mismatch between the neighbor's steps and the new repaired steps. The repaired steps are now leveled, plumbed, and most importantly, secured. Another fine job by Dependable Concrete.